Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's rapidly evolving, and it's changing everything from self-driving cars to medical diagnoses. AI is making its presence felt in every industry. This video explores the evolving landscape of the tech industry. We'll examine the impact of AI on coding jobs, analyze the value of traditional tech degrees, and explore alternative pathways into the tech world. By understanding the trends and focusing on future-proof skills, you can chart a successful career in tech. Welcome to Nexus of Tech, your ultimate gateway to the future of technology. From groundbreaking innovations to the latest tech news, we break it all down so you stay ahead of the curve. Ready to power up your tech knowledge? Let's dive in. The job market is a dynamic entity, constantly evolving in response to technological advancements and economic shifts. The rise of AI is undoubtedly one of the most significant disruptors in recent history. It's automating tasks previously thought to require human intelligence, leading to concerns about job displacement across various sectors. However, it's not a simple equation of AI taking jobs away. While some roles may become obsolete, new ones are emerging. Adaptability and a willingness to embrace lifelong learning are paramount. Navigating the future of work in a tech-driven world can seem daunting, but it's not an insurmountable challenge. The key is to approach it with a proactive and informed mindset. While technical skills remain crucial, they are no longer sufficient in isolation. The ability to think critically, solve complex problems, and adapt to new technologies is equally important. Embrace opportunities to expand your knowledge base, whether through online courses, industry events, or simply staying abreast of the latest trends. By embracing lifelong learning, cultivating essential skills, and adapting to the evolving landscape, you can chart a successful and fulfilling career path in tech. Will AI replace programmers? The thought is unsettling. But as AI systems evolve, their ability to understand and generate code becomes increasingly sophisticated. Tasks that were once considered the exclusive domain of human programmers, like writing simple scripts or automating repetitive tasks, are now easily handled by AI tools. This doesn't necessarily spell doom for programmers. Instead, it signals a shift in the landscape. The role of a programmer is evolving from simply writing lines of code to becoming more strategic. Beyond the bots, where human coders still shine. While AI excels at automating repetitive tasks, there are areas where human programmers maintain a distinct advantage. One such area is complex problem solving. Coding isn't just about writing instructions for a machine, it's about understanding complex problems and designing elegant, efficient solutions. Another area where human programmers shine is in creativity and innovation. Human programmers are also essential for ensuring the ethical development and deployment of AI systems. The adaptable coder skills for a future-proof career. So, how do aspiring and existing programmers thrive in this evolving landscape? The answer lies in adaptability and continuous learning. The most in-demand programmers will be those who can work effectively alongside AI, leveraging its capabilities while also bringing their unique human skills to the table. This means staying up to date with the latest advancements in AI and machine learning. Beyond technical skills, soft skills are becoming increasingly important. By embracing a growth mindset, continuously expanding your skill set, and focusing on the uniquely human aspects of programming, you can navigate the evolving landscape and build a successful and rewarding career in the age of AI. The enduring value of a computer science degree. The rise of AI and alternative learning paths have led some to question the continued relevance of a traditional computer science degree. A computer science degree offers a comprehensive foundation in the theoretical and practical aspects of computing. It equips students with a deep understanding of algorithms, data structures, programming languages, and software development methodologies. This strong foundation provides a solid base upon which to build specialized skills and adapt to new technologies. Moreover, a computer science degree goes beyond technical skills. It fosters critical thinking, problem-solving, and analytical skills that are transferable across various domains. While the tech industry is evolving, the fundamentals of computer science remain highly relevant. Beyond the degree, alternative paths into tech. While a computer science degree has its merits, it's no longer the only path into the tech industry. The rise of coding boot camps, online courses, and self-directed learning has opened doors for individuals from diverse backgrounds to acquire in-demand tech skills and launch successful careers. Coding boot camps offer intensive, short-term training programs that focus on practical skills and industry-relevant technologies. Online courses and platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udemy offer a vast library of courses on various tech topics, from programming languages to data science and machine learning. Networking and building relationships with industry professionals is also crucial for career advancement, regardless of your educational background. Attending tech conferences and events can also provide valuable insights and opportunities for growth. The skills hybrid, blending technical expertise with human ingenuity. In the age of AI, technical expertise alone is no longer sufficient. The most sought-after tech professionals will be those who can combine their technical skills with strong soft skills, creating a powerful hybrid that sets them apart in a competitive job market. Communication skills are paramount. Tech professionals need to be able to articulate complex technical concepts clearly and concisely, both verbally and in writing. Collaboration and teamwork are also essential. Problem-solving and critical thinking skills remain highly valued. By cultivating these hybrid skills, tech professionals can future-proof their careers and thrive in an era where technology and human ingenuity are inextricably intertwined. Navigating your tech journey, choosing the right path for you. The tech industry offers a myriad of career paths, each with its own set of required skills, career trajectory, and earning potential. Choosing the right path depends on your individual interests, strengths, and long-term goals. Start by assessing your interests and passions. Consider your strengths and weaknesses. Research different tech roles and career paths. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different things. Approach your tech journey with curiosity, a willingness to learn, and a passion for leveraging technology to make a positive impact. The future of tech is about more than just writing code. As AI takes over routine tasks, the skills that will set you apart are those that leverage your uniquely human capabilities. Think of it as a shift from simply instructing machines to collaborating with them, guiding their learning, and shaping their impact on the world. One crucial skill set revolves around data. AI thrives on data, but it needs human guidance to make sense of it all. But data alone isn't enough. We need to understand the why behind the numbers. The ability to bridge the gap between technology and human needs will define successful tech professionals. While AI excels at processing information and automating tasks, there are certain skills where humans still hold a distinct advantage. These are the skills that tap into our emotional intelligence, creativity, and complex social dynamics, areas where AI still struggles to keep up. Communication is key. Being able to convey your ideas clearly, concisely, and persuasively is essential, whether you're explaining a complex technical concept to a non-technical audience, pitching a new idea to investors, or collaborating with a team of engineers. Emotional intelligence is another vital skill. This involves being aware of your own emotions and those of others, understanding how emotions influence behavior, and using that knowledge to navigate social interactions effectively. In a world increasingly driven by data, the ability to connect with others on a human level will be invaluable. Creativity and innovation are what set us apart from machines. Can you think outside the box, challenge assumptions, and come up with novel solutions to complex problems? Can you imagine new possibilities and then bring those ideas to life using technology? Adaptability is crucial in a rapidly changing world. The tech landscape is constantly evolving, with new technologies and trends emerging all the time. The ability to learn quickly, adapt to new situations, and embrace change will be essential for staying ahead of the curve. These uniquely human skills are what will make you invaluable in the age of AI. By honing these skills, you'll be able to collaborate effectively with AI, guide its development, and ensure that it's used to create a better future. Section 3, the lifelong learner. Adaptability as your superpower. In the past, a degree was often seen as the end of your education. In the age of AI, it's just the beginning. The tech landscape is constantly shifting, with new technologies, programming languages, and industry trends emerging all the time. To thrive in this environment, you need to embrace lifelong learning. This doesn't necessarily mean going back to university for another degree. There are countless ways to learn and upskill throughout your career. Online learning platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udemy offer a vast library of courses on everything from data science and machine learning to web development and cybersecurity. Attending industry conferences and workshops is a great way to stay abreast of the latest trends, network with other professionals, and gain valuable insights from experts in your field. Don't underestimate the power of hands-on experience. Taking on side projects, contributing to open-source projects, or even building your own apps and websites allows you to apply your skills, experiment with new technologies, and build a portfolio that showcases your abilities. The key is to cultivate a growth mindset, the belief that your abilities are not fixed but can be developed through dedication and hard work. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. Be curious, ask questions, and never stop seeking out new knowledge and skills. Remember, the most valuable skill in the age of AI is adaptability. By becoming a lifelong learner, you'll be able to navigate the ever-changing tech landscape, seize new opportunities, and future-proof your career. Section 4. Building your future-proof tech career. A roadmap. Navigating the future of work in tech can feel daunting, but it's also incredibly exciting. Focus on the right skills, embrace lifelong learning, and adopt a proactive mindset. Identify your interests and strengths. Build a strong foundation in the fundamentals. Develop your communication, collaboration, and problem-solving skills. Build your network and embrace continuous learning. Stay up to date with the latest technologies and trends. Building a successful tech career is a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace the challenges and opportunities ahead. Section 1. The unstoppable tide of progress. The tech landscape will continue to evolve at an unprecedented pace. New breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation will undoubtedly reshape industries, redefine job roles, and present both challenges and opportunities for those in the tech sector. Denying this change is futile. Embracing it is essential. The integration of AI into our daily lives is not a threat but a transformation. Like any powerful tool, its impact hinges on how we choose to wield it. By focusing on AI's potential to augment human capabilities, automate tedious tasks, and unlock new realms of possibility, we can create a future where technology empowers rather than displaces human ingenuity. The key to thriving in this dynamic environment lies in adaptability. The skills that were once considered niche or specialized are rapidly becoming fundamental. The ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn is no longer a luxury but a necessity. Those who embrace continuous learning, cultivate a growth mindset, and remain curious about the evolving technological landscape will be best equipped to navigate the uncertainties of the future. The fear of obsolescence is understandable, but it shouldn't paralyze us. Instead, let it fuel our drive to stay ahead of the curve. By investing in our skills, embracing lifelong learning, and focusing on the uniquely human aspects of creativity, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence, we can ensure that we remain valuable contributors in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Section 2. Charting your own course in the digital age. The future of tech is not a preordained path, but a canvas upon which we can paint our own destinies. The decisions we make today, The skills we cultivate and the mindsets we embrace will determine our trajectory in the digital age. Whether you're a seasoned tech professional or just starting your journey, remember that you are not a passenger on this ride. You are the architect of your own success. Don't be afraid to explore different avenues, experiment with new technologies, and chart your own course. The tech industry thrives on innovation, creativity, and a willingness to challenge the status quo. Embrace the unknown, embrace the challenges, and embrace the opportunities that lie ahead. That's a wrap on today's Tech Deep Dive. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe for more next-gen updates. Have a question or a favorite tech topic? Drop it in the comments. See you in the next one. Stay connected, stay curious. Stay tuned for more exciting content.